In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets data for creating charts in Canva. This process will empower you to create visually appealing and data-driven charts that enhance your designs effortlessly. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to get into Canva and start by choosing the chart you wish to feature in your design. Canva offers a variety of chart types, so take a moment to explore the options and decide which best suits your data presentation needs. Once you've picked the chart, the next step is to import your data. To import your data, locate and click on the Import Data button. This action will guide you to select your data source, which, in our case, is Google Sheets. If you haven't already, you need to ensure that your Google account is connected to Canva. This connection is crucial because it enables Canva to access the data stored in your Google Sheets. Upon successful connection, Canva will display a list of Google Sheets linked to your account. Take a moment to scroll through and find the worksheet that contains the data you want to use. If you have many sheets, it might help to have your sheet's name handy so you can access it quickly and efficiently. Once you've located your desired worksheet, click to select it. The next step is to specify the exact sheet within your selected workbook that contains your data. Often, Google Sheets workbooks can have multiple sheets, so make sure you select the right one to import the correct information. After that, it's time to define the range of data that you want to visualize in your chart. The range refers to the specific cells that include the data points meant for your chart, like A1C10, for instance. Be precise with your range selection, because an incorrect range could result in missing or skewed data in your chart. Once you've entered the data range, you're ready to hit the Done button. And there you have it. Your data from Google Sheets is now imported into Canva and ready for use in your desired chart type. You can now format and adjust your chart according to your presentation or design needs. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate Google Sheets data into your Canva projects, making your charts both attractive and informative. This integration not only saves you time, but also enhances the accuracy of your data presentation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore and experiment with different charting options that Canva offers with your newly imported data. Happy designing!